Welcome back to the channel. If you've been following along, you already know we're deep into the Union LA Shadow Chicago series. This is part 2 of the BTS. And this time, I'm highlighting 2 shots that didn't get their shine in the first video. One is called Choices in Focus. It's a layered depth shot with the blurred foreground and some storytelling in the laces. And the other, Box Talk. Clean hero energy with the shoe elevated right on top of the design that helped make it iconic. We're gonna get right into the behind the scenes. I'm gonna break down a few things, show you how it came out, and how the shots came to life. Let's go. So I have an idea for a shot. We're gonna use this union here. We're gonna take this other union that we're using here. We're gonna take this egg, we're gonna prop it up. I'm gonna take one of the longer laces here. Since I have this lace underneath, I'm gonna create kind of like a snake motion with it. This one's gonna actually be kind of tough to actually do, given like it's silk or satin. First thing I'm going to do is kind of refine the angle that I want.
In the shoe, towards the top of the tongue, you've got more of that black nubuck. And then one of the unique details.
Got my camera here. I'm going to sit myself on the floor to get the angle that I want out of this shot. Yeah, this is going to be a dope shot. I think I'm going to reposition the light though. Casting a shadow like this isn't bad at all, but I think I want to put the shadow in a different angle. I'm going to take this light, position it over here. Feel like this create a better shot. I don't like shots that are heel heavy. It just doesn't look so good. I don't know if that makes any freaking sense, but anyway. So sometimes with certain laces, creating that snake pattern is really tough. So what I like to do is take some putty to help with that snake motion. I'll angle it a little bit to create some depth with the shot. Place a piece of putty here. These pieces of putty will help hold the position that I'm looking for. I think next we'll go with the shadow lace. This is going to be a pretty easy and quick shot to do. I don't think it's anything that's going to be super difficult to pull off. That looks good. That actually looks great. All right. I like the way that's looking. And I know the shot on camera doesn't look like much, but it looks really good from this angle, and I think I'm going to achieve exactly what I'm looking to achieve with this shot. We have the third lace here. These cotton laces take shape a lot easier than the others. Well, let me see if I can zoom in. So you can see what this shot looks like. Doesn't look bad at all. Looks pretty good in my opinion. But we're gonna. All right, let's get ready to take this shot. Now I'm gonna do it from a seat on the floor. Let's do it. Oh, ow! Bang my ass. Beautiful shot. This shot is gorgeous, but I gotta fix a couple of things. Move it right there. Let's take our shot. Want to angle it up. Really get those lace waves going. You want to know what? Taking it head on is probably something I don't want to do. I think I want to angle it so we can really catch those waves, the sneakers. If I angle this light, I want to create a little bit of darkness in the back. I'm going to create a shadow in the back, kind of like a gradient. Let's get this hat out of here. It's not bad. Let me see if I can do something with this shot.
Yes, sir, man. Now, this shoe, like I told y'all in the intro, they released these on All-Star.
See what this might look like. You see something?
You see it.
If I pop this heel up.
See the look.
Let's see what this looks like. It's not bad at all. It's good shots.
Later.
All right, so we're gonna take one more box shot. We're gonna set up for that now. We're gonna do it. Oh, grab these white foam blocks that I use like just props. Boom, just like that. Right. Let's bring it right there. Going to take a little bit of putty to wedge the box so it doesn't slide against the paper. It wedges itself. Bring this right here. Use prop. One of my favorite shots that I do like doing. Let me see something here. See what it looks like on camera. It's one of my favorite shots. Looks good. Let me see if I took this. Yeah. Let's make it a little bit dynamic here. That's what I'd love to do.
It wants to go to cyberspace. It wants to go from the physical world to the digital world. So if you think about Bitcoin.
There we go. All right. Shot doesn't look bad at all. There's a couple of things that I want to do. Now that I have this shot set up, there it goes.
Xavier, you don't have to say anything to her. Do your best to avoid listening to what she says. She'll probably say a lot of things just to hurt you. If you get uncomfortable or scared, just tell me.
Let's do this. Let's bring that down. So what I want to do, move this here.
And if you're new here, subscribe by hitting the button. I wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody out there. I hope this year is a great one for you and your
Let's do this here. Let's move this here. Balance it. Rotate this a bit. All right, where's my...
Now, there's a lot more in this video from Jordan.
What I get to do? Take that nice little shot. This shot's gonna look amazing. Let's get ready to take it, and boom, beautiful. It's a solid shot. I want to fix a couple things. So a lot of times what you got to do is move props in a way to reduce editing later. So I don't want to have to cut this out later. So let's get it out of the way now. Editing process, it definitely takes longer than taking the picture. All right, let's do it. That's better. There we go.
If you made it this far, appreciate you. Make sure you like, share, drop a comment, and hit the thumbs up if you're rocking with the visuals. Let me know which one spoke to you more, choices in focus or box talk. I'm always down to hear how y'all see the work. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe to the channel. Part 3 is already in motion, and I've got more to come behind that. Thanks for stopping by. See you in the next one. And I'm out.